Have faith in God. A father loved his family very much. He had only one son who was born out of many woes. When he was born, doctors told him that his son had a brain tumor. However, it was not a big danger, but it might have to be operated in the future. He was deeply saddened by it. When his child grew a little, the tumor started causing problems, so he took him to a hospital where doctors told him that if they operated on his child, the child might die, which made the child's father very sad. Now only God could save his child. Trusting God, he agreed to get the child operated on by the doctors. He and his wife continued to worship the Lord as long as the operation of his child continued. About 5 hours later, the doctors came to him and said, "His child is fine now." He thanked God wholeheartedly. The story teaches us that sometimes we should move forward by trusting in God regardless of the odd circumstances.